Good evening, sir. I am Juvelina. I'm going to perform unoccupied bed making. First, do the hand washing from hands to elbow to eliminate bacteria. And then, second, wear your complete PPE, such as hairnet, mask, apron, gloves, and then next, gathered or materials needed such as bottom sheet, rubber sheet, draw sheet, top sheet, pillowcase, and then pillow. Then don't forget the hamper and then pang disinfect. Next po natin na gagawin, kung may soiled linen sa bed, tanggalin po muna natin. Then, lagay sa hamper. Next, disinfect muna yung kamay. Then, the bed. After disinfect, lagay ang bottom sheet. Bottom sheet is para sa protection ng mattress. Then, tuck in the headrest, the footrest, and then miter 45 degree. Make sure po na walang wrinkles para iwas bed sore si patient. Next is rubber sheet for secretion with patient. Then tuck in. Next is draw sheet for the mobility of the patient. 16 to 18 inches from headrest. Tuck in. Bawal din po ipagpat ang mga gamitin. Next is and then the pillow. Next is top sheet. Tuck in the headrest, then the footrest, and then miter 45 degree. Iwasan po natin magkaroon ng wrinkles para iwas bed sore si patient. This is the the closed bed, and then sa pag naman po, pag open bed, tanggalin sa tuck-in ang headrest, tupi, alabas po yung unan, then tuck. Ito na po ang open bed. And then, pag surgical bed naman po is, tanggalin lang po yung tuck-in sa gilid, and then, triangle, triangle lang for surgical bed. After po i-perform lahat ng open bed, closed bed, and surgical bed, lahat po ng ng side linens lagay sa hamper, and then do the na po, post care na po. Thank you, sir.